exciting day when you get shoes in a box, especially a Stitch Fix box. Look how cute these are. These are really cute. Let's get this open, see what my stylist Emma sent me. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. Let me see, I did not peek this time. If Emma is my stylist. Yes, okay, she left me this great note. And also here's how you can style everything. I'm not gonna read the note, I'm not gonna peek. And then you also get an invoice. Yeah, we're not gonna look at that. If you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount. So let's see how Emma styled me. Let's take a look at my collection. This is pretty cute and it is very soft. Great colors for spring. I don't know, that's pretty cute. A dress. Could be a possibility. Emma sized me up. White denim. Skinnies. You never know. The cute wedges. These are really nice. I like these. I hope they fit. So let's get to the try on. Okay, let's talk about this cute top from Market and Spruce. It's $38. It is so soft. Look at the beautiful colors. It's like clouds in the sky. It's just really cute. It's a Dolman sleeve. It's machine washable. It's rayon, polyester, and spandex. The back, it's got a line, a seam through the back. The length is great. Got the little side, goes up on the side. When I first saw this, I'm like, I don't know. I love this top. And for $38, I'd say this one's a keeper. What do you guys think? All right, let's talk about these jeans. Oh my gosh. I don't remember ever trying this brand on. They are by Pistolia. Is that the name of it? They are skinnies. Emma sized me up to a 29, which is an 8. I'm just not cut out for skinny white jeans. No, they show, these skinnies show every cellulite, every bit going through these legs, these thighs. They just don't look good. They don't look good on me. No, I'm not comfortable in them. What do you guys think? It's got the pockets. It's got the working pockets in the front. They fit, but not for this girl. $88. No, no thank you. These are going back. Let's see what's next. Have the shoes on. They're really cute and they are comfortable. This is a really nice top. Okay, but wait for it. These are my jeans. Okay, I love this top. I saw this top on my friend Janine's channel and I really liked it and she showed it front tuck, but if I front tuck it, that split in the back goes wider. It's not a good look on this girl. It looks really cute on Janine, but she didn't, I don't think she kept, did you keep it, Janine? I don't think you did because I don't think that you liked that this rolled. And this part, it doesn't bother me at all. Love the colors in this. It's so pretty. I like the style. It's not, you know, some tops are flowy. This is a little flowy, but it doesn't have all that like real flowiness here and all that extra material in the back like some tops that I get. This is so pretty. It's $48 by Renee C. It's called the Jory, J-O-R-Y, split neck. It's just really cute, except, oh, it's got this cute little V in the back, but this down here does not work for me. Look at that. There's no button or snap or anything at the neck. and it slipped on just fine. This is size small. Look how pretty. I'm so bummed. If it wasn't for the split in the back, this would be a keeper. For $48, this is size small. And like I said, these are my jeans. These are by Democracy. I can't say that word. Okay, and I live, Northern Virginia, DC area. All right, these shoes are so cute. I am not gonna show you a close-up because I desperately need a pedicure, and I know you guys are gonna say, oh, we don't care, we all need one. No, But they're comfortable. I've been walking around in them a little bit. They are by Market and Spruce. They're called the Wells Slip Wedge, $64. $64 might be a bit much, but they're already in my hand and they fit well. It's a navy. I don't know, they're pretty comfortable actually. I don't know, I think these are gonna be a keeper. This is only being returned because of the split around the bum area, which I don't wanna, oh goodness, but otherwise it would be a keeper. All right, I think we have one item left and that's the dress. This is a cute dress. It's a navy with a little bit of cream, I guess it's a cream dots on here. This is pretty cute. It's a faux wrap. It's got the little tie here just for decorations, for looks. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't tighten it or anything. This is what I would call fit and flare, which I love fit and flares because I'm smaller on top and wider. Two different sizes basically. This is size medium, no pockets. It is not lined. It's a nice simple dress, but I used to wear these type of dresses to work all the time, like the simple throw on, throw some heels on, go out on appointments. So I'm not looking for this style. I did request some dresses that I could wear with tennis shoes, and I could wear this with my white tennis shoes, which I have on. I tried it on with the blue, with the slides, but I didn't like it as much. Maybe once I get some tanning lotion on my legs, it might look a little bit better. But I mean, it's $54, just not what it's cute. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just not what I'm looking for. So this is going to be a no. So you guys already know what I'm keeping. I'm keeping this top, and I'm debating if I'm gonna keep these or not. I like them, but I think I have other shoes in my closet that I will probably wear more than these, but I'm not sure yet. And I'm gonna Google the price to see if I can find them cheaper, because on here they're, how much did I say these were? I think they're $64. Yes, but they are comfortable. So, that's big if they're comfortable. And I could just slip them on with I wear jean shorts a lot in the summer. So, and they'll look really good with, I think they look good with the white denim. Okay, so I might keep those. I'm definitely gonna keep this top. This one really surprised me. This one would have been a keeper if it didn't have that split around the bum area. Don't wanna draw attention to that, even though I really like the bum. I like the bigger bums. But it's the hips I wanna bring in just a little bit. The jeans are definitely a no, and this dress is a no. So unfortunately, it looks like I'm either keeping one or two items, and if you would like to try Stitch Fix for yourself, I'll leave a referral link in the description. I think sometimes they give specials, but right now mine is $25. If you use my link, you get $25, and I get $25 credit. I have no credit right now, but that's okay. Let's see, what else? That's it. That's all I have for you guys today. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.